Welcome to my channel, my dear friends, subscribers, and guests who came in and clicked on this video. Bless you and bless all of your family. Full moon rituals. 10 things that you should do and shouldn't do during a full moon. This is our last month of the year 2022. This means our last full moon of the last month and year. Since full moons are about endings, your full moon rituals should feel a little conclusive, a little reflective. Today, we're going to talk with you about what should you do and what you shouldn't do. First of all, you should be focusing on cleansing your energy because this is about the ending and not planning. This is the end of the year. First, cleanse your mental and physical space. You build up energy, both light and dark. This makes it the perfect time to cleanse your space, body, and mind. You should consider smudging your home, taking a luxury bath to unwind. Treat yourself wisely. Get rid of everything that is not giving you happiness. Second, charge your crystals. Put your jewelry under direct moonlight to energize them. Once they receive the direct moonlight, they will be charged and they will serve you better and longer. Third, learn to meditate. Meditation is a very important part of the daily practice. Those of you who meditate regularly can notice that their meditation practice is even more deeper now. And then fourth, you should be considering the dance to release energy. You should dance. You should feel happy. Release that energy and everything that was bothering you all of this time. Let it go. Fifth, let go of emotional baggage. Write on a piece of paper what would you like to get rid of and throw it away. It doesn't belong to you anymore. Goodbye. 6. Check your do list. Everyone who is usually very successful, they always write their ideas and plans on a piece of the little paper. Check your do list and follow your directions. Get rid what does bother you so much. Don't come back to it. Also, 7. Chill out for a bit and relax. Yes, that means relax. Just sitting on your butt and listen to some nice, good music. Meditate and cleanse yourself. Get a good book and read a book. Even you can sit at the table and look at the candle, like at this one that right is in front of you, and meditate. Imagine that this candle is cleansing your mind, your body, and you rejuvenate and you feel renewed and you. Yes, this is the magical piece of time, and this is the time for you. Don't bother to listen to anybody else.